talked about the law like it was all that he gave. But Jesus said the greatest thing we carry is to love and save. The stories fill the room with warnings from above, but somewhere in the teaching they let go of love. And all of us kept gathering like rules were the goal, but he came to lift the broken and restore the soul. Somewhere in the noise the meaning slipped away, but love was the center of everything he'd say. They lost the love, the heart of the cross, turned a simple truth into something it's not. The warnings grew loud, like that's all he gave, but he came to heal the hurting, not to dig a grave. Somewhere the love faded from the center of what he taught. They taught the kids of Noah and the flood that came, but mercy never made it to the front of the frame. The sermons weighed heavy on the rules we keep, but he held the weary close and called the lost his sheep. And somewhere in tradition, grace got pushed aside, but he broke the chains of shame the moment he died. Somewhere in the noise the truth got rearranged, but love was the reason everything was changed. They lost the love, the heart of the cross, turned a simple truth into something it's not. The warnings grew loud, like that's all he gave, but he came to heal the hurting, not to dig a grave. Somewhere the love faded from the center of what he taught. He didn't say judge harder, he didn't say stand tall, he didn't say build kingdoms, he didn't say fear it all. He said love your neighbor, he said love your foe, he said care for the least, he said let mercy flow. And maybe if we listen to the words he spoke, we'd find the love again beneath the weight of the smoke. They lost the love, the heart of the cross, turned a simple truth into something it's not. The warnings grew loud, like that's all he gave, but he came to heal the hurting, not to dig a grave. Somewhere the love faded from the center of what he taught.